if A, B, C and D are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find X and Y. Now, first of all, children, let us understand the meaning of in order. Taken in order means either all the points are to be marked clockwise or anti-clockwise. It's not that you're marking A here, B here, C here and D here. No, it should either be clockwise or anti-clockwise. That is the meaning of taken in order. We are given these as the vertices of a parallelogram. So first of all, let me draw a rough figure, children. That will help us understand this question better. So let us have a parallelogram. We are given A, B, C, D. A 1, 2, B 4, Y, C X, 6, and D 3, 5. So these are the vertices of parallelogram given. We have to find the value of X and Y. Children, as we are given parallelogram, obviously we are going to make use of the properties of parallelogram. Can you tell me some properties? How can we find these two unknown? Yes, okay. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are
diagonals bisect each other.
yes, very good. So opposite sides equal. So if I equate AB equals CD using distance formula, here I will have an equation in Y because AB mein Y is there, and CD I'll get another equation in X. And when you are equating one equation in Y and another in X, do you think you are going to get value of either?
No, ma'am.
Because if
No,
two variables means two conditions are must. So this will not work. So side thing is not helping us. So let us take care of the diagonals. What is the property of diagonals?
bisect each other.
Bisect each other.
So let me just join diagonals and see if it works for me. So I've joined the diagonals and let O be the midpoint. O be the point where the two bisect each other. The bisection of each other means, does it mean that O is the midpoint of AC?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And beta, it also means that O is the midpoint of BD?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So with respect, this is the short form, with respect to. With respect to AC, what will be my O? What will be the coordinates of O?
Midpoint.
How we find that? AC. How do we find the coordinates of midpoint?
X1 plus X2 divided by 2.
That is 1 plus X divided by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
And 2 plus 6.
8 by 2, that is 4.
Right? And what will be the coordinate with respect to BD? BD.
3 plus 4 divided by 4 divided by 2.
Plus 4 divided by 2.
5 plus y divided by 2.
But at one time I am saying the coordinates of O are this. Another time I am saying the coordinates of O are this. But is this point O unique? Is this point
Yes,
unique?
ma'am.
There is
Yes,
only one point O. So if this is represented by A, B and this is represented by X, Y, and then should we be having that A, B is equal to X, Y? Because point to
Yes,
A
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
there is
ma'am.
only one point. And since there is only one point, the coordinates must be same. And this is possible only when A is equal to
X.
X.
X,
and B is equal to Y.
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 Clear? So that is how by equating them, we will get the values of X and Y. Getting my point, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now this is, we are going to write this properly. Please write down. As diagonals of a parallelogram, bisect each other at O, so this gives me coordinates of midpoint O with respect to AC must be equal to coordinates of midpoint O with respect to BD. This means, as we discussed, let us apply midpoint formula. 1 plus x divided by 2, 2 plus 6 divided by 2. And this should be equal to 3 plus 4 divided by 2
5
and
plus
5
5
plus
divided by
5
2.
divided by 2. And this is only true if x is equal to x and y coordinate is equal to y. So that means 1 plus x upon 2 is equal to 7 upon 2 and 8 upon 2 is equal to 5 plus y upon 2. All the 2's will get cancelled. In the denominator, this will get cancelled. This will also get cancelled. So, what is x?
X is equal
8.
to
X is equal to 6.
I'm 6.
Oh,
7
sorry.
minus 1 and y is equal to 8 minus 5.
3.
So, x is equal to 6.
Y is equal to 3.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Version.